Fantastic human. Hello. If you've ever searched for the best handwriting app for the iPad, you already know the problem. Every app looks amazing on a feature list, and then 2 weeks later, you're still app hopping, your notes sit in 5 different places, and you don't trust any of them enough to commit. We're ranking 8 of the best handwriting apps with one simple rule. Each app earns its spot for one thing it does better than the rest. By the end, you won't only know which app is the best, you know which one fits your workflow, so you can pick one main app and stop overthinking it. At number 8, we have Apple Notes because it feels so effortless that it became my default without even trying. Whether you type on your iPhone or handwrite with the Apple Pencil, it's the app you keep coming back to because it stays simple, fast, and reliable. One feature I genuinely love, you can handwrite your thoughts, then copy them as text to paste them anywhere you like. It's such a small thing, but it makes Apple Notes feel more flexible than people think. And it's one of those few note-taking apps that lets you add videos directly into a note, no matter how big they are, which makes it brilliant for saving visual references along your writing. The only part that annoys me is Apple Notes does not give you a straightforward backup everything to your folder option. And even though I haven't lost any notes, I still worry about it. I can't help it. I want a proper copy I control, not just the feeling that everything will probably be fine.